What's the word, YouTube, man? It's your boy Trey Savage back with another video. Feel me? I had to pull my ears. Yeah. But anyway, we in South Carolina, Greer, South Carolina. This is my last load. Where the fuck is the truck stop? I'm tripping. I went the wrong way. We at the truck stop. This is my last load because I'm finna get the fuck off the truck. Then I gotta stay out here in South Carolina in the hotel for 2 days for my strap down class. This the truck. Then you got the little load with the steam rails. But I gotta drive 2 hours to the other location. Then we go untarp the load, let them unload us. Then I'm gonna go to my hotel. And yeah, that's a little bit about it. Then wait for my 2-day training and get my ass back to Gary to get my truck. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Y'all be smooth. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Back with it, you feel me? We outside, we in Greer right now at the terminal, you feel me? Yeah, so done with my 200 hours. I'm waiting, finna wash the rest of my clothes. Once I'm done washing, I'm finna go to this hotel, sit down, take a shower, cool out, then wait till me think I'll probably get a phone call tomorrow or something. Then I come do my strap down training. Once I do that, I test out and we'll see if they got a truck for me here. If not, Swift will end up getting somebody to come get me from Greer, South Carolina and send me back to Gary and see if they got a truck for me up there. But I was thinking like, shit, what if they give me a truck and I don't like none of these motherfuckers like, but guess I'm gonna have to settle for something. But we gonna see though, man, what these trucks looking like. I know I'm finna pass this test with flying colors. I ain't too much tripping about this. But let me give y'all a good look at the trucks that's out here. You feel me? They got a red joint. Then they got another one coming in. That's the 2020. But I don't know. We gonna see from what truck it is they trying to get me. But I really was just washing my clothes. I stepped outside because I seen a sign that said dog kennels. They got a section for dog kennels for people dogs. So if you got a dog with Swift, you can come put your dog in the dog kennel. Look at this. They got the dog, they got the pickup they love, you feel me? And they got the dog kennels. They got the bowls. The bowls need to be cleaned out, but they literally got dog kennels for your dog. Literally. But I'm finna get back in here and wash my clothes, man. I'll probably catch y'all when I get to this hotel. Yeah, y'all be smooth. I'm happy I got my badge because I would not be able to get back in here without my badge. Y'all be smooth. Hotel joint. Well, I put some of my stuff in already. I'm finna go back in here. Damn. Got a little bit of shit on my hand. But yeah, make sure you still record. Yeah, you still recording, but we already at the end. We off the truck. 200 hours. Your boy did it. Get in his room. And that shit. I don't smell too off, but turn this AC up in this bitch. It got me fucked up. But yeah, man. Oh no, wrong way. Your boy's off the truck. Got my stuff in a hotel room. Yes, sir. Now I got 2 more days so I can go ahead and do this strap down class. Drive this little truck, do a little 50 question test that I'm out of here. You feel me? I'm in my own little truck. But yeah, though, man, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot of videos on the way. Got a lot of truck content coming on the way. And yeah, that's how we gonna get down. That's how we gonna do it, man. Let me go ahead, situate myself in, see what I'm finna do, see what I'm finna eat, warm some up, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little minute. Hold on. What's good, YouTube, man? I'm going through BS right now. Motherfuckers supposed to been having my hotel room ready. It wasn't. Well, let me stop. Swift had it ready. The hotel people didn't check their email and seen that I had a voucher. So therefore, when I go and check and tell them like, bro, I had to come out of pocket to pay for the hotel, and but basically it supposed to have been for free because Swift supposed to have been paying for it. Well, they did pay for it, but motherfuckers didn't check their email to see that I had a voucher, bro. Like, what the fuck? So basically, had to go down there, get that situated. Now I gotta go through the fucking problem of Swift reimbursing me my money, and whoever reimbursing me my money for this damn hotel room, and yeah, like, but that's besides the point. It's the next day, first day. Finna get ready to put my stuff on, man. Finna walk my ass over here to this terminal. Can't get a contact with nobody. Ain't nobody answering the phone like that. I mean, Barbara, she answered, she get me together, but don't got time to be waiting for no van. I'd rather walk over there. Walk over there, get a little exercise in, then be smooth like that, then get my little strap down class and test out and get the hell up out of here. That's what my main focus is. So, yeah, man. I'm finna go ahead and put my stuff on, and I'm finna go ahead and walk my tail over here, man.